during the day I thought we would win, pero after the performances I said we didn't get it.
So for costumes, we thought, okay, Magan has us beat on this one. Para sa amin, okay lang kung matalo Mika ngayon kasi reward challenge lang to.
Karoon tayo ng deliberation sa mga judges at nahirapan silang mag-decide. Isa lang ang mananalo sa challenge na ito. At ang tribong yon iuuwi. Lahat ng nakikita nyo dito sa stage. At ngayong gabi, sa winning tribe, bibisita ang ating 3 judges para tumulong sa inyo. Sana ba kayo marinig kung sino nanalo?
Yes!
Isa-isahin natin ang inyong score. Sarma Yi, according sa judges natin, nakakuha kayo ng 87%.
Nung tinawag pa lang kami ni Richard na 87, hindi tayo. Kasi syempre, ba't kami tatawagin kung kami winner, diba?
Nagar, nakakuha kayo ng 75.3.
That's a sight, baby! I used to get those in high school!
The performance we did was terrible. I was a bad narrator. Pero it was funny, so I think if we were serious about it, we would look parang mukhang tanga.
Ang Magan! $92.6! Congratulations, Magan! Thank you! Kayo ang tribong nanalo ngayong gabi.
So of course when they mentioned us, I was so happy. Pero then I felt maybe the other teams will think we won kasi it's my birthday. So maybe they'll be like, ay nako, si Magan, they just won kasi yung birthday ni Solen. So they feel bad for her like that. Pero I think we really won fairly.
Congratulations! And happy birthday kay Solen.
Party at the gun!
It's been a long night, guys. Everybody can head back to camp now.
All right.
Survivors! Ready? Go! Simula nang kumain ang mga castaways, iba sa kanila nagustuhan ng lasa. Trisha, sumuka na! Aubrey! John, sumuka na rin! Oh!
Ew, grabe!